channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Z. I just want to say welcome to everyone that came from TikTok. I saw your comments in the comment section, just letting me know that you came from TikTok. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I just want to tell you a little bit about my channel. So I do talk about relocation to Australia on this channel, and I also I also post videos like home decorating videos, because I love decorating. I love reupholstering and painting furniture. Basically what I enjoy doing, one of my hobbies, is just curating living spaces in my home. So that's the content that you should expect. I also love cooking. I will be posting some cooking videos here and there, but most of my videos are going to be mainly based on relocating to Australia and also decorating my space. If you haven't watched my previous videos, please just go and watch them so that you can catch up with everyone, so that you know where we are. I'm going to be posting the construction videos very soon. Maybe after this video I will be posting those construction videos so that you guys can see how our home was built here in Australia. It only took 3 months for the house. It only took 3 months to build this house. So I am definitely going to share so that you guys can see how different it is compared to Africa, because in Africa the whole system is actually completely different. I'll be sharing those videos. Let us get into what I'm actually doing right now. I just want you to see for yourself. I don't want to narrate that. And bear in mind, guys, that I know I've promised some videos. I've promised you guys that I'm going to do an interview. It's coming. Just be patient with me. I'm just going to work on it. And also, what else did I want to say? Yeah, I was going to say that I'm actually not feeling well right now. I've got a terrible headache, but I am going to soldier on because I need to drop something. I haven't been on YouTube. Let me actually tell you guys, I haven't been on YouTube because I actually came back in October last year, and then something happened. YouTube sent me an email, so they removed some of the features that were on my channel, and yeah, that actually knocked me down. I thought about giving up, but now I'm just gonna do it, and then we'll see how that goes. I'll try and see if I can do what they want me to do. Then we can carry on as usual, but it doesn't mean that I'm not going to be posting. I am posting. I am going to start posting. I'm starting right now. So let's just get into what I'm doing. Oh yes, another thing I wanted to tell you guys is I have been feeling like a little bit overwhelmed. I didn't know, I like I said, if you're new here, I enjoy decorating. So I'm someone who actually loves planning ahead. So I'll create mood boards, and I'm gonna share with you guys. There's a toilet here. It's a powder room. That's the room that I'm going to start with. So I'll share with you guys. I'll put it somewhere here or here so that you guys can see what my vision board looks like. So I am someone who actually plans ahead. I'll create those vision boards and then just go through everything, every other option that I have, and then I'll decide before I make a purchase, because I'm not gonna buy something that I actually do not like. So I'm someone who plans a lot. Like, I rely heavily on planning, but I feel like everything just happened so quickly and I wasn't prepared. Because I remember the time that we were coming to Australia, I created all my mood boards because I had photos of the house that we were going to rent, right? And then I created the mood boards and everything. So everything was ready. By the time that I was about to start purchasing things, I knew exactly what I was going to buy. And then now with this house, I feel like I'm so unprepared, and I was actually feeling very uninspired until yesterday. So yesterday I went to the shops. I love TK Maxx, guys. So I went to TK Maxx. When I was there, you guys know that I love green, right? So when I was there, I actually saw something that I loved. It was this. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna show you now. Let me show you. This is what I got from TK Maxx. Found this. It's really nice. It's from TK Maxx. And then this is what has actually inspired me. Dirty because I actually unboxed this yesterday. Anyway, so this is what has inspired me. Look at that. I love how beautiful it looks. So I want to put my fruits in there. And then I'll put my flowers in this one for now, but this is not what I want. I want something bigger.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, the soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric ride. You make me feel alive. I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Beneath an endless night, the world spins around. You're there, ease my mind. Like stars that never die, you and I will shine during the darkest times. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Maybe this is the season of love.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be Talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, soft touch your hand in mine, gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric right. You make me feel alive. I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you when sun.
I need to remove these two items, the kettle and the toaster, and put them in the battlers over there, because I don't want the kettle and the toaster here. And I think I might remove the knives as well, because could be easy. Don't mind that. I need to empty those things that are in that bag and put them over there. So for now, I just wanted you guys to see this, because strangers in here. But this is not what I want. I want something similar. Let me show you guys, because I want something similar to that over there. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. I want something similar to this. I want something similar to this. Something like this, but without the handles. That's what I want. I'm sure you guys can tell that green is my favorite color. I have to put this up, but because I still need to change these lights. guys, we've reached the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe. And I'm going to post the videos that I've promised you guys. Just be patient with me. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.